Hey guys, today's video we are doing ackee and saltfish. Okay, so we are pouring the ackee in the boiling water. We are add garlic, then we are add scallion, we are add pimento green. Guys, these spices, trust me, it give it a flavor, it give your ackee a nice flavor. And then we are gonna add our pre-soak and wash saltfish. Remember to soak and wash properly. Okay, watch what go on. Welcome back, guys. So this is the ackee pot. I have scallion in it, pimento green, garlic, and my saltfish. So before I start the season, hold on, let me fix this camera here. Guys, remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. So guys, right now I'm making some caramel dumpling. I already have potato and yam in the pot. Cat will dumpling them here. Yeah? Cat will dumpling. See the style them. Can make them big dumpling. Now them stir there. Drop them in the pot. Okay, a bubble soon strain it off, guys. Just want to put the dumpling them in the pot, right? This meal is gonna be a banger. If I hear about caramel dumpling, ackee and saltfish, guys, please remember to leave a thumbs up, like and share, leave a comment. Let me know what you like your ackee and saltfish with. This is another way where you can make your dumpling real fast. Make your dumpling real fast. Stove look like it won't turn up. Oh, stove won't turn up. So. Pot. Seems like the water is low in the dumpling pot. I'm gonna add some boiled water to it. There we go. Guys, look at this. Dumpling them I need up. Yeah, man. My father would have eat 10 of this. Guys, seriously, spelling I can't eat no more than one of them dumplings there now. Yeah. Brown dumpling, all wheat flour, is the healthy way, but really and truly them dumplings are really nice with the ackee, so your type of flour is optional there. So I look like I have about 3 dumplings left. I have to hurry up, guys, because the ackee don't need no more than 7 to 10 minutes in the boiling water. Don't want my ackee get so soft. So I have to hurry up and put in dumpling there. Alright. And so this is my last dumpling. put this in the pot. Fire on slow, I'm going to change the pot. I'm going to change the stove. Need to prepare my ackee now. Zoom in on the action, guys. Zoom in on the action. Okay. So, time to remove this. Okay. So guys, the ackee is cooked and it is ready to strain. So I'm gonna get rid of the water out of this. So stay with me. Let me show you the next step. So the first step is boiling the ackee in boiling water with my pimento green, garlic, scallion. So let's go to the next step. So guys, the next step is season my seasoning. First up, add more scallion. So as you can see, the ackee is there. Just stay for a while because I have to prepare my seasoning first. Scallion, tomato. Love me some tomato in my ackee and saltfish. Love me my tomatoes. This is it, guys. This is it. Onions. Guys, this is an all-purpose seasoning and sweet pepper. Give your food such a great flavor. Sweet pepper can basically do anything. So guys, I'm adding a bit more garlic here. Garlic. I know the flavor that garlic gives. How can I forget? My Scotch bonnet pepper. Don't want to put too much because who want a spicy ackee? There you go. My onions are prepped. My seasoning, sorry. My seasoning. So now it's time to scale my saltfish and pick. And I do so by simply using a spoon. Scrape the back of it. Remove the scale. Okay guys, time for our ackee. So I have olive oil here. Then I'm going to add my seasoning. If you're afraid to get it burned. Add a bit of water. Oh my God. Cover it to allow a few minutes for the season to cook for a few minutes. Few minutes, like 1 minute. So okay, so I add the saltfish now. Hey, it smells so good. Oh my God. Wow, this is so pretty. Look at this. Alright, next step. Add our ackee. Just going to season here. Give it a few minutes to simmer. Okay, so the last thing is black pepper. Just go and sprinkle through your stuff. A joke. Just do it moderately. There you go, Ackee and Saltfish.